Go! Go crazy! That's what we say to Cece when we want her to go crazy.
Go crazy?
Crazy.
Yeah.
Go crazy.
Go crazy.
Go! Where'd he go?
Get the zoomies.
Go! 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 Are you guys watching this? This is hilarious. We don't need a TV. This is an entertainment. We don't need a movie. We're watching puppies. How is that fun for either of you?
Oh my god.
Is that Cece?
Yeah. She always makes a ton of noise.
Stanley, you've kind of surrendered in that position.
She's got him pinned.
Go, Stanley, go.
Stanley's got an injury. This isn't fair.
Oh, look at the spin move. I like that one, Stanley.
Oh, she's got it.
Nice girl, see? Oh, no.
This is how what?
Do not say